Welcome to our channel. Now we have Ubiquiti Nanostation M2 Loco. We will unbox that. Let's see. Now we have normally the device itself, and here's something interesting that I think we can put any holder there. So we have a mount bracket or something like that. Let's see what is inside or under the box. Power cable. Yes, power to power over internet and LAN splitter. Now we have a something like handle or something like that, and quick start guide. Yes, that's all for our Nanostation M2 Loco. Thank you for watching.